What's up, sweeties? It's TL and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Sweetest thing ever known. Sweet thing. My sweet thing.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another walkthrough video. A walkthrough video. Oh. I'm at Lowe's, y'all, the home improvement store, because I want to put some cute wallpaper in certain parts of my house. And I'm just gonna walk through and show y'all what else they got, see what's on sale, see what's new, see what's popping, see what's cracking. Let's get it. First in the comment section, say hey T. Make sure you already gave the video a thumbs up, because y'all's playing games. Y'all's playing with my emotions. It's like, I'm a G. Give the video a thumbs up. If you're watching, give it a thumbs up. Not hard. 2 seconds. Not even that. Click the bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share. Don't skip the ads. Let's get in here. Alright, y'all. I don't even think I need a cart because I'm not going to get much. I don't think. But I do want to get some peel and stick wallpaper. So, ooh, baby. Ooh, slow down, babe. These are cute. I like these pots at the top. Super cute. I need something for my my front porch. Just for my front porch. So maybe I should get a cart. Maybe I don't know. Should I? It's better to get one than to be at the back of the store and you need one and you ain't got one. So let's just get one. Just get it clean. Excuse me. Ooh, I need one of these plants too.
This one's smoother.
Alright, let's see. I don't want a real one. I just want a fake one, honestly. I'm not trying to deal with all this. $22.98. That's not a bad price, but I really do want a fake one. I don't think they got fake ones here.
wait, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Fame's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and go drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah. It's taking that off me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say
You need a shopping cart? Good. Okay. You're welcome. Hello. Hi. I left that clip in there, that last clip, because as I'm walking to exit the garden center, I asked this family if they need a cart, right? Y'all heard me. I turned to my other side and I'm getting this dirty ASS look from the employee at the garden center. One thing about it, you look in my face and you just stare me down. Hello, how are you? You already giving me a dirty look, so now I'm gonna piss you off even more. I say hi to you, and you give me the hello. We're gonna say it a little louder and say it again. Hi. You didn't want to speak to me? It's okay. One thing about it, you ain't gonna get under my skin, but I can get under yours. Okay, very much. What are you doing here? Why are you here? Y'all know where I'm getting at. So, they very lucky I'm tired, and I wanted to come to my car and sit down because this is my 4th video I'm recording today. Okay, I'm tired. Otherwise, I would have filed a complaint. Okay, very nasty, very rude. Just be happy I ain't collect that name on that little weak badge. Tamara is not the one order to. But thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Let me. And I eat today, and it's what? 12 o'clock? Got to go. Hi. He ain't even worth my energy. That's why he got the hi, hello, how are you? Keep it cute, keep it sweet, keep it moving. That's it. People be real life crazy as hell. So pick your battles. Kill them with kindness. Just keep it moving, honestly. But he looked like he was ready to do some damage to the place. So I took my my pretty brown self back to my car, and Lowe's won't get my money. This location at least. So alright, y'all, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, share, subscribe, click the bell. I don't even know why I'm at this location. It ain't, yeah, it's not that type of location. Let me get the hell out of here, because they
Sweetest thing ever known. Sweet thing. My sweet thing.